somebody will be saying, why is she showing us her hairline? Why is she showing us her leg that she's rubbing something on it? That's not why we're here. Did I hear somebody playing? This is not why we're here by Tiwa Savage. Anyway, ladies, you're gonna see why you're here very soon. All right, we are here for a purpose, and in this purpose we have another purpose, so we have to, like, you know, mix and match everything together to make the video fun and not too boring. Welcome back, ladies. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So 2024 has been declared by my highest people in fashion. I am not a professional stylist. I'm someone that just love fashion, and I think a little bit good with color combination. If I am wrong, please correct me in the comment section, because I've heard so much people reaching out to me talking about how I combine my colors, they like it. So that's why I am kind of saying, I'm patting myself at the back. Thank God for that knowledge. This year, the Pantone color that has been declared is Peach Force. All right, it's like a lighter shade of pink to orange, kind of combined together. Then it's give you this kind of peach kind of color. So it's called Peach Force. That's the Pantone color of 2024. So when I found out that this is the color of 2024, you all know I'm not all about trending, but if I have something that goes with the theme of whatever that is trending, I'll still use it then, and I'll even use it after. All I think about is comfortability, affordability, and styling my things in a way that I like. I don't follow trend. That's just the bottom line. But on this channel, remember, we're all about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank. So this is the reason why I want to share with you today how you can incorporate the Pantone color 2024, which is Peach Force, into your outfit without breaking the bank. Before we jump right into today's video, you all know I always say this at the beginning of my video. I don't know if it's helping me or not, but please subscribe if you haven't subscribed before, and please do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. Also remember to give me a like on this video. If you find it helpful or entertaining, please do endeavor to share with your friends and family. So without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. I'm going to be showing you how you can incorporate the color of the year 2024, the Peach Force, into your outfit. Remember, I've told you I am not a professional stylist, but I'm a little bit good with how I pair my clothes and how I pair colors as well. I am still in the learning process, and you are going to see the improvements by the grace of God, because this is what I really enjoy to do, and I'm not going to give up on YouTube, even though this street is trying to frustrate me. Like, I am not putting any effort onto my video, which I am, but the view are not viewing, but it's all right. I'm going to move on. The passion is getting me going. This is my side hustling. I have a career. Thank God for that. Anyway, the first thing I'm going to be mentioning are things I wrote them down. If I'm looking down, yes, I don't want to blab and I don't want to prolong this video unnecessarily. The color of the year, which is Peach Force, you can incorporate it into your accessory, making use of it as an accessories, in the sense that you can tie a scarf of that color around your purse, just like the way you're looking at it right now on the screen. This scarf, I purchased it on Amazon. I found out that Peach Force is the color of 2024. I was like, oh, I do have a couple of things in my outfits, in my wardrobe, that I know you can always go with the color of the year. All right, whatever you have in your house, in your closet or around your house, because you can also use it to decorate your house. You can decide to change some of the painting in your house to the color of the year. You can decide to change your pillowcase, or however you want to incorporate this into your lifestyle. Because I'm a fashion and lifestyle content creator, I decided to put it into accessories and how you can combine the colors together to make it look very, very 2024-ish kind of color of the year. So the first one I mentioned is you can tie it around your purse, as to boost up your accessories. The next thing that you could do with it is tie it around your neck. And by the way, if you're going to be interested in that scarf, that one is just a recent purchase, and I deliberately purchased that scarf for the purpose of this video because I'm not going to go ahead and buy a bunch of stuff in peach fuzz just to fit into the color of the year. That scarf is very affordable, and that scarf can be used in so many ways, which I feel like it's going to be something that I can use year round. That's why I purchased it. So if you know you're going to be interested in it, also I will put the link in the description box. It's very affordable. You can use it as a headband, like, you know, tie it around your head on those days that you just quickly want to step out of the house to quickly run some errand and your hair is not looking, you know, not in perfect condition. You can just tie the scarf, the color of that scarf, depending on what you're wearing. You all can see what I'm wearing in this video. It will still go with it. You could tie it, you know, you could use it like for your hair as a hairband to put your hair together, and also you could use it as a shawl, you know, just tie it around to protect you from the sun and a little bit of windy whatever that is coming here and there from the atmosphere. It cannot keep you warm, don't get me wrong, it cannot keep you warm if it's very cold, if you live in a cold climate at this season. All right, ladies, thing that you can do with it for you to be able to see how you can wear it again, you could do it with white. Yes, it goes with white perfectly. You all can see it, how everything is just looking very immaculate. That's what I would call it, because it looks really, both of them look really bright and fresh and clean. Continue with this video. I want to say thank you to the sponsors of this video, the company which I featured already before on this channel. They are called Sword. Now I have a serum for hair growth. This is the reason why I featured my headline, for you to see my hairline, to know and see how my hairline is looking. You know, I don't have baby hair line. My hairline, according to age, you age according to hereditary, it will determine how your hairline is going to look like. And according to maintenance, when you were much more younger, I used to do a lot of braids, those tiny braids, and again age wise. All right, so I am trying to incorporate this new product that they just released, which is the serum, which you're looking at on the screen right now. The serum is made with natural ingredients. The purpose of this serum is to reduce hair loss and increase hair density. Also, it is recommended that you use it once a day. If you want to have a very effective result, they recommend you use it with damp hair. Also, please, if you know you have sensitive skin, it is not recommended for sensitive skin, although they are made with natural ingredients. But I read it on the box that it's not recommended for if you know you have sensitive skin. Use it with damp hair and also be consistent, and you're going to see the results. And this is the reason why I showed you my hairline at the beginning of this video, because I'm going to incorporate this into the maintenance of my natural hair, which is what I wear most of the time now. I just put on wig whenever I feel like the hair is not looking anymore clean or look like fresh anymore. So I use my wig to cover it up for the purpose of the video, or whenever I'm going to work, I try to wear wig or wear hat just to cover it up. But I wear my natural hair more now, so I'm going to be able to incorporate this new serum that they just released, and I'll be coming back to give you all my feedback, because I am going to document everything starting from next month by the grace of God. The ones that feature from their product before is argan oil. Now they have it in new packaging, and it is meant, specifically written on the box, is meant for men and women, so it's not strictly gender kind of a thing. A man can use it, a woman can use it, and it helps to revive and smooth thin, dull, frizzy hair. And it's been working. I've been using this ginger, especially I've been using it a lot, and the tiny hair that you all saw at the front of my hair, this ginger is part of the reason, because the front of my hair used to look really bad than that. It's growing, but slowly but surely I'll continue to be consistent. You know how being consistent can help you to be able to achieve what you're going for. That is the reason why I'm going to stay on it. And this one too has been repackaged, and they put more effort to it to make it more effective. And this one is for all type of hair too. Likewise, the argan oil. I really like the scent. They smell very good. They are not too strong, and they don't have any kind of offensive or scents. One is their shea butter, which I started using at the beginning of this winter time, because sometimes the weather where I live can be like -1, sometimes 8 degrees, sometimes 9 degrees, to the point that your skin will be so dry. I am the type, I take care of my skin a lot, so I hardly get to that state that it will be super dry or itchy. But I do have that problem with my youngest one. Is 7, so it's always like my body is itchy, and I'm always like, you're not using your moisturizer enough. That is why your body is itchy, because the weather is very cold and dry. So this shea butter, I've been using it and I've been loving it. You all can see the application on my leg in my bathroom. I just wanted to show you how that look like, and right now on the camera I'm going to show you. This is the one that I've actually opened, so I'm going to show you how it looks. I'm going to use it at the back of my hand. You all can see. You can see right now. So I just want to do a live demonstration for you, so it wouldn't be like the one I pre-recorded then I showed you. So this is it. I'm just going to go ahead and get a little bit of this. So I'll go ahead and, you know, melt it in my palm. Look at this. You see how shiny it is? That's how it's going to moisturize your skin. This is shea butter. Remember, this is shea butter, and it's very good for our skin. And it doesn't have of course it does have the shea butter smell, but it's not strong. I don't think the shea butter smell, scents or smell, I don't think is offensive. You all know, because it's natural. And this is it. It feels so good and smooth on my skin, and you all look at it. Look at that. I will recommend you look into it. The good thing about Amsod, right now they are shipping worldwide. They have their websites. The last time I featured them on my channel, the website, you can only purchase from Amazon UK then, but now Amazon US, you can purchase from UK, all over the world. They have their own website now, which I am going to be leaving in the description box. Please support. This is a black owned company, all right, and originally from people that are from Nigeria. If you're from Nigeria, please support our fellow brothers and sisters that run this company. And also, if you're not from Nigeria and you're African or whoever you are, we are all human beings. Amsod are not only into skincare, they're also into air freshener. So they have this air freshener that I'm showing on the screen right now. The two that I received, the first one is the peach nectar. It smells so good, and according to what they told me, they have added more things to make it more long-lasting scent compared to the way it used to be before, which means they've gone back to the lab and they've done their homework and assignment, their research, and I feel like they want you guys to enjoy it much more longer than the way it used to last. Now they've added some more additional thing that will make it to have long-lasting scents. And the next one is the sherry one, and that smells so heavenly. I love it, and I love the fact that it's going to smell, the smell is going to last much more longer than the way it's used to be before. Don't forget to check in the description box to support Amsod, please. Thank you. To continue with our topic of the day, how you can incorporate the peach fuzz, which is the color of 2024, the Pantone color of 2024. You can tie it around your you can tie it around your heart. In this portion, I'm showing you how that color can go with burgundy. You can see that the heart is the color of the heart. I'm showing it's burgundy. You can actually match those two colors together and you're good to go. If you have a pants or a skirt or a top with that peach fuzz, they're still going to work together. That's why I'm combining those two colors. And again, you could style the scarf around your heart also to give you that look of 2024 color. This is why I did the color, and also I did the styling for you to upgrade your look. And the last thing I have on my list here is you can use it as a belt. So in this portion, I am showing you how these three colors can work together: the white, the green, mint green that I have on, and the peach fuzz. those three colors can actually go together. Remember, I told you I'm trying to go out of my comfort zone and combine colors that I'm not usually I wouldn't combine. I'm not a professional fashion stylist, but I'm someone that love fashion and I would love to get better on color combination. So I'm showing you those three colors that you can actually combine together and they will look good for you to incorporate the color of the year into it. And another way that you could do it is by using that scarf as a belt, which I tie around my belt holes and make it look very neat and make it put my look all put together. What do you all think about this video idea? I hope you all enjoy watching it. I hope I didn't blab too much. I hope I didn't just being so noisy. I feel like I was talking too fast, but sometimes you just have to go with the flow. All right, ladies, let me know your thoughts in the comment section about this video, and please do not forget to check in the description box. I'm going to be leaving the link to Sword. Yes, Sword. I don't know why I said Sword. Sword is the company that sponsored this video today. Please check in the description box for their for you to support them with all that they have on their website. Remember, you can shop nationwide now and they will ship it to you. Their packaging is very, very amazing. Like when I was trying to open the one that was sent to me, it took me a while, which means you're going to get your products, they will get to you very safe, without anything breaking or anything leaking. So please check in the description box, and also if you're going to be interested in the scarf that I shared today on this video, the link will be in the description box as well. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.